Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to show apps button in Microsoft Edge toolbar. Open Microsoft Edge on your PC. Click on the three dots icon in the top right corner of the page. Hover your mouse on apps and select View Apps. Apps window will open. Now click on the three dots icon in the top right corner of this window and select Manage Apps from the drop down menu. In the left sidebar, toggle the button next to Show Apps button in Toolbar to turn it on. Now open a new tab. As you can see, Apps button started appearing in the browser toolbar. You can now access your favorite apps easily. This is how you can show Apps button in Microsoft Edge toolbar. Thank you for watching.